Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay, come look here. Okay, so we're going to pop this thing off the form, and the first step is just breaking the suction between the tape and the, yeah, you guys can, and the tape underneath. But as you can see, it's coming a lot easier even than I expected, considering I didn't do any testing or anything on this. Okay, just hold her as steady as you can, alright? Oh, crappy. And that's what's left of the form. She took a bit of abuse, but I think she could be used again.